Hey everybody, here we go. Today is the day when we are gonna learn Punjabi, whatever you call it. So today we are gonna learn Punjabi from the beginning, right? From nothing. So it's gonna be our first video of how to learn Punjabi from nothing to fluent series. So basically in this lesson we are gonna learn from a basic vocabulary, the vocabulary which is the most surrounding to us. So I picked some random words, so we are gonna learn some vocabulary of those words. So make sure you will stick to the video till the end because I'm gonna give you some homework to do. And another thing, I also made a written post about masculine and feminine words on Patreon and Buy Me a Coffee. I'll also put there more extra stuff. If you want to go there, just check it out. Links are in the description. So if you haven't watched my recent video about like how to learn Punjabi from nothing to fluent, so basically I talk about things, I talk about the process, how to like become fluent from as a beginner or from nothing. So you can check out that video. So yeah, link is in the description. Alright guys, so how to learn Punjabi from the nothing. So we know nothing now, right? Even me, I don't know nothing. So anyway, so if you know like a few words or you are completely beginner, this is gonna be video for you especially. So everybody who learn the language, they learn from like a words, right? If we see a baby learn some words first, then he start making sentences. So that's why we're gonna learn from some basic words. So let's get started. So I picked randomly like around 25 words, I think. So first word is car. Car means house or home. Maybe you're gonna pronounce it a little bit differently because car it's not sound in English. So yeah, it's gonna be hard for you. It's car. The second word is kamara. Kamara means a room. Alright. Another word is bar or darwaja. It means door. So in my area, mostly we say bar, but some people is call it darwaja. Alright. So I think bar is going to be easier for to remember because it's similar to English word bar. Another word is cha. Cha means tea. Then is sadak. Sadak means road. Then is kachara. It means a dirt road. Next word is behi or gali. So it means a street. So in my area we say behi, alright. Another word is pani. Pani means water. Hava. Hava means air or it could be a wind. We have only one word for wind and air. Alright. It's hava. So next word is asmaan. Asmaan means sky. Next is badal. Badal means clouds. The next word is drakht or darkhat. You can pronounce both ways. Drakht or darkhat. It means tree. So next word is kutta. Kutta means dog. And kutti means a female dog. Alright. Then another word is kutura. Kutura means puppy. Another word is billa. Billa means a cat, a male cat. Billi is a female cat. And then is bulungda. Bulungda means a kitten. Next word is butta. Butta means a plant. Then is akhbar. Akhbar means newspaper. Then is kitab. Kitab means book. Next word is kapade. Kapade means clothes. Next word is boot. Boot means shoes. Then is kandh. Kandh means wall. Then is botal. Botal means a bottle. Then last word is sisa. Sisa means mirror. Alright guys, now I'm gonna give you some homework until I make a next video. So you need to keep doing that. What I'm gonna tell you. So you need to remember these words and keep practicing. And that's your guys' homework. So if you are a little bit in advanced level, then you can use these words in sentences like this word cha, right? So how can you use it in sentence? So you can say like main cha peeni hai, which means I want to drink tea. So if you want to learn a little extra vocabulary, then you can watch my playlist named Vocabulary and Pronunciation. Don't be overwhelmed. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. And if you already knew some words I just taught you, then just let me know in the comments. So that's guys, I hope you will do your homework. See you in next video.